Yeah. 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 Haters turning up, they faces looking at me like, like there's something wrong with me. Like I went and told Leg I was out being petty. But I'm telling baby girl right now I need a massage. But a message come through, interrupting my 90210 view. I know I'm socially connected, well respected. Look at me wrong on the right occasion, but I always take it life. You know it's always life. I don't give it back. I call it my wife. Life, wife, get it? But anyway, I'm coming back through and I split it like a banana peel. And I'm talking about that deal. If you trying to make me sell something to get something, then you ain't gonna get nothing from me. I'm stuck in the 90s. Jordan in his prime, Sports Center on while I'm sleep, while she blowing up my flow. Claiming she haven't slept in the week. Talk is so very cheap, that's why I'm writing down every word. Selling these nouns and verbs. Put a rapper or a singer in the top 20 on MTV. Yes ma'am or yes sir. And no longer holding fluff, no longer doing bad, no keep sweat. Not begging for anything. Keep being jealous and envying me. MVP while I'm laughing and grinning. I'm sorry that I stress you, but you know it's not my job to impress you. But wait, I'm coming back in another episode 90210. Man, I should be in that series. Give me 10 racks, I'll do a show. Man, I'm back in it. Man, I might do 5 for a rap show. Might do 200-300 for a song though. Man, I'm coming back so smooth. Snakes in the grass, gotta cut it though. Stay up on the beat, ain't no snapping like wildfire. You cannot put me out, you cannot send me down. You got the heat turned all the way up, your house is burning down. Stay on the beat and the chorus too. And I do the chorus fine like Future do. Man, I'm futuristic, so artistic anyway. I come through, man, with something new. You thought it was futuristic, man. I'm artistic, man. I might sing, might do a poem, might do a sketch, but you no longer, I'm not trying to impress. There are so many stakes in my grass, I'm probably moving to the village of East Yeah, the valley, where the white girls and the mix all just chill. Man, you know, I'm just trying to get buffalo like Bill, but you know I hang with them dogs, get Kelly right now. Anyway, I'm coming thick. Man, I need so money. Anyway, I'm coming thick. Man, I need some money. Man, you know I'm coming thick. Man, I think I need 100. And if she dance like Justin Albert, she can be my honey. Yeah.